Hey, my name is Marius, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deconstruct a radio antenna or an aerial from your roof. However, you can hear it from my accent. I'm not from United States or UK, I'm from Germany, and I did this in Germany too. So I have never been to the United States. I don't know how the radio antennas there are made and how they are planned and built. But in England I have been a few weeks ago and I have seen there quite similar antennas and aerials. So I think in the UK you can do it quite similar as I did here. I'm not sure about the United States though, so keep that in mind when you watch that video, please. Yes, so at first I want to talk with you about security, because it's quite important. You can see also on this picture that I needed a scaffold to work here safely, because the house that I live in is quite high. With the ladder I wouldn't recommend so much. Maybe if your roof is not that high you can do it with that, but except that I would really recommend a scaffold. Also, I used steel cord, so I have a additional security. When I slip or fall off the roof, I get caught by that steel cord and I won't drop and fall down the roof. Yes, and that's actually the most important thing. Besides that, you only need a grinder to remove the metal stuff from the antennas. You can also cut the cables with it. There's no electricity on them here in Germany, so it's also quite safe. Also, for easier work on the roof, I recommend you to use a roofer ladder, as I do here, right on your right. And if you can't use the roofer ladder, you can do it similar as I did here, because I did remove some of the roof tiles, and the roof tiles that are placed on the roof batten are quite useful to walk on the roof, because if the roof tile is removed, the batten, you can walk there quite good actually. So if you don't have a roofer ladder available, I recommend you to do it like that. And if you're planning to build a solar power system, as we did here, and that's also why these antennas should go, because yeah, they take so much space and they have no function anymore. It's also quite useful to walk on these aluminium bars. Yeah. Here you can see that I also worked inside the roof, because the antennas were fixed with a metal bar also. And yeah, this one you just have to cut through, and then you can remove the metal bars too. At the end you also have to repair the roof, because one or two roof tiles have been cut by the roofers. So the antenna and the metal bars would go through. This one you just throw away, and you need a new one to repair and replace the old roof tile. And that's it mostly. The most fun thing is to throw the antennas below the roof actually. So yeah, I hope I empowered you to deconstruct your own antennas on your roofs and your houses. So you see, it's not very hard, and you just need a few basic tools and a little bit of time. I'm looking forward to see you here on my channel again soon. Bye!